Hola Marina, ¿cómo estás hoy?
Hola, Ben, pues fenomenal. ¿Tú qué tal?
Muy bien, un poco deslumbrado,
Deslumbrado aquí.
deslumbrado, sí. Deslumbrado means dazzled.
Mm.
We've been dazzled by the spring Madrid sunlight, but can't complain, no? No nos podemos quejar. So, two great phrases there already, or words. Today we're going to have what, Marina?
A Spanish conversation, yes, well, we are going on a trip,
Yeah.
and we want to talk to you about that.
Yeah. Before that, a couple more great phrases. But why a Spanish conversation? Because recently, when we did our Real Spanish Coaching Week, we had this series of 5 live Zoom calls. We'll be doing another one in a few months, in case you missed that. We discovered from getting feedback from everyone that came along that one of the things you liked most was the part where we had a real Spanish conversation live. And we said, well, that makes sense. We're all about real Spanish conversations.
We've always been, yeah.
That's the origin of Notes in Spanish. So more real Spanish conversations in these videos. One coming up now. But first, let's see if we're lucky, because 2 doors down, they're doing a house makeover
Yeah.
all day long. Bang, 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 bang. And finally, we've got a moment of peace. Marina.
Yes,
so
they're having their mid-morning breakfast.
they're having their coffee and we're like, quick, record. So how do you say in Spanish, first of all, Marina, they're redoing the house down the road?
Están de obras.
Están de obras. So está de obras means you're redoing your house, you're doing some work on the house, right? How would you say they've given us a break?
Nos han dado una tregua.
Nos han dado una tregua. A tregua means a ceasefire.
Sí.
You could also use it like if your kids have been arguing all day long and they're driving you crazy, and suddenly they each go and read a book or watch telly or something like that, and you go, oh, peace. Los niños nos han dado una tregua.
Tregua.
You say it?
Tregua.
Tregua. Oh, that's a tricky pronunciation. On that
Tregua.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, not long down the road, I think we're going to have some kind of pronunciation class from Marina. Right. Conversation time.
Yes.
It's a long weekend for people who live in Madrid and who have kids in a school, because Thursday and Friday off. For some reason, there's some special teachers' holiday. So we've got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday free, just like, lots of families in Madrid. And we're heading off.
To the Pyrenees.
And we're going to tell you about the best bit of when we go on a journey. Your challenge is to find out from this conversation, okay, tell us in the comments, so you've got to listen carefully, what is the best bit about the trip, okay? Ready, Marina?
Ready.
Bueno, ¿qué? Mañana, ¿dónde vamos?
Nos vamos a la montaña.
¿Y qué vamos a hacer?
Bueno, pues de momento yo ya estoy disfrutando de preparar las cosas, la maleta, casi que este momento de preparar el viaje y sobre todo, el momento de meter el pie en el coche, ese es el mejor momento. En cuanto ya estás con el pie en el coche, aunque tengamos que conducir 5 horas, bueno, 4 horas y media, ya es sonrisa, felicidad,
sí,
música.
Claro, lo más raro es que el viaje de ida, cuando vamos, es casi lo más disfrutón, ¿no? ¿Se dice así?
Sí.
Casi lo más disfrutón, lo que más disfrutamos de todo el viaje. Bueno, luego...
No lo único.
Cuando estamos ahí, también vamos a disfrutar mucho, porque vamos a la montaña, a los Pirineos, va a haber mucha nieve, vamos a cambiar este sol deslumbrante
por temperaturas bajo cero.
Por temperaturas muy frías, pero bueno, tenemos ahí la chimenea,
Sí.
¿no? El fueguecito.
Sí, ¿y por qué tú crees que nos hace tan feliz ese momento de poner el pie en el coche? Porque yo tengo algunas ideas.
Porque nos gusta mucho el viaje hacia la montaña. Porque ya significa desconexión, ¿no? Del trabajo, de la vida normal,
del ritmo loco,
del ritmo loco
de la ciudad,
y de la vida de familia y de coles y de trabajo. Sí, yo creo. ¿Y tú?
Bueno, porque realmente en la vida normal nosotros jamás estamos 4 horas y media sentados en el mismo lugar los 4 juntos. Eso no pasa nunca. Entonces nos da una oportunidad buenísima de descanso, porque Ben y yo conducimos la mitad del viaje uno y la mitad el otro, y nos da un espacio de charlar, compartir, disfrutar de la música juntos, tomarnos un café en algún sitio que ya los tenemos como nuestros sitios favoritos de camino y ya es puro disfrute.
So there we go. Puro disfrute, Marina said at the end there. Pure joy. Did you get the answer to the challenge question? What is it we surprisingly almost enjoy most about the whole 4-day trip ahead of it? And Marina said, es cuando metemos el pie en el coche. When we step into the car for the viaje de ida, for the outward journey, the journey there. The journey back's never
Usually
quite
not
as
so
much
nice,
fun
no?
because we're, it's back to the crazy routine again.
Like everyone is more moody.
Everyone's more moody. So Marina explained, she said, why do you think we enjoy that bit so much? And I said, well, I think it's the disconnection. We know we're disconnecting for a few days from the routine. And Marina said, well, it's because, why? Because it's the only chance the four of us are sat together in one place
For 4.5 hours.
for 4.5 hours, and we share music. We do what we call la ronda de Spotify, a round of Spotify. We each choose a song, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, we get
stop
to chat,
for a coffee in
coffee.
a nice place. Yeah.
So did you get all that? Did you get the answer to the challenge question? Let us know in the comments, and maybe tell us what your favorite part of your trips is. And of course, if you enjoyed this Real Spanish Conversation, this is what we're all about at Notes in Spanish. Homework, go and listen to another one of our podcasts. Whether you're inspired beginner, intermediate, advanced, you all have conversations in your podcast for your level. Go listen. If you want to get fluent much faster, pick up the worksheets as well. There's a link underneath for all of that. And algo más?
My eye is going funny with the sun.
Your eyes going funny with the sun. Yeah, it's deslumbrante. So we're going inside. Mira, nos han dado tregua.
Sí.
The machines, they're not with their jackhammers still.
It's just
Quick.
all day long, bam, bam, bam.
Yeah, quick, let's stop before they start. Links underneath. Homework, go listen to some podcasts, use the worksheets, get super fluent at Spanish. That's what we're here for. Y que paséis un fin de semana increíble. Have a great weekend.
Have a great weekend. Bye.